guys, welcome back to the channel. Subscribe, like, and hit the notification so you don't miss more videos. So today we're
fidget trading
with Marie. All fake because these are all my fidgets.
and this is the invisible dog.
The good squishy. Okay, I'll go first.
Wait. If you don't know how fidget trading works, this is except if you add and decline.
Accept is if you like the trade. Add is if you need them to add more, and decline is not doing if you don't want to do the trade.
Okay, I'll go first. I'll do it first. I'm offering this, but it doesn't spin because she washed it.
It's a pop-it fidget spinner.
Yeah.
And I have a pop-it ball fidget spinner. Now I'll add that, but I'm sorry. Mine spins and it has a lot more pops.
Okay. Yeah, I'll add this pink bear that's squishy. Stress ball, sorry. I'm kind of new to fidgets.
I'll accept.
Okay. Me too.
You have to press it. And then we're going to put this stuff aside.
Yeah.
Because they got traded. Okay. I'll offer this pizza sand stress ball that can, what's it called? Pull. Sorry about my...
I'll offer this, but I want you to add because this is a bit better than yours.
Okay. I'll add this green slime. Okay, guys.
I accept. There you go.
Yay, I love this. It's a mermaid tail poppet. Dimple.
Dimple.
Okay, your turn.
I'll offer this pug stress ball.
I'll offer this. Actually, that would be kind of over because mine's bigger. Okay. I forgot what this is called. This water stress ball with like the line things in it. But I'm over.
Okay.
But that's all I have. I don't have any other stress balls.
I will add this frog.
I'll accept.
Okay.
I like this little frog. It's so cute.
Yes. I'm glad.
Okay.
One of these trades is actually going to be real, so I'm going to be right back, people. She will distract y'all.
Okay. Beep. Should I just kind of cover that? Yeah.
Hi. Let's start.
Okay, we're gonna do one real trade right now, and then the rest are gonna be fake.
Okay.
Actually, no. The last trade is gonna be real, so stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Do
So-
not leave.
So I'm going to offer this pretzel rainbow poppet, and you know what? I'll be fancy and add this star as well.
I'll add this dimple. It's kind of rainbow. Technically not rainbow. There's just no purple, which I'm flipping mad about.
Yeah.
And this zipper bracelet.
Can you add just a tiny thing?
Yeah. I'll add this infinity cube.
Okay. I'll accept if that's okay with you.
Yeah, I'll accept.
I already pressed it.
Thanks.
Okay. Your turn.
Okay. I'll offer this Sour Patch strawberry slime. Is this from?
It's from Hallmark.
Cool. Yeah.
So I'll offer this Elmer's. It's called Elmer's Goo, but it's Elmer's Mermaid's Gem Slime. Here, I'm gonna open it just so y'all can see it better. Y'all can see that one pretty well, but this has stuff all over it. So this is kind of sticky. It's like clearish, and it's purple, and it smells like grapes.
I'll accept.
Me too. I want to feel it.
How would you? Ooh, that's nice.
I'm trying to get the charm out so it doesn't get sunk in there. Oh, I got slime from Peachy Babies.
Oh, that's cool. We're just talking about slime while
Okay,
playing with.
sorry. So that was a good trade.
Yeah.
Okay, it's my turn.
Yeah,
I'll give you this rainbow puppet.
I'll give you this donut, but I'm gonna ask you to add because I know that is your favorite fidget. in the old time universe.
Okay, I'll give you this polar bear mochi and another one, yeah. And this red, I think, cherry scented slime.
I'll accept.
Me too. She actually gave this to me,
Yeah.
or she traded it.
I
to
traded
me.
it to her.
Okay. I'm going to.
Cherry.
It's your turn to offer.
That's my turn to offer. I'll offer this Neato ball that changes colors to purple. Pink to purple.
Okay, so I only have these left.
I'm gonna sing a song for you.
But I'm sorry, I need you to add.
Okay. And to see that my relationship is stable, I'll add this little backpack. It's a popsicle backpack. Perfect for the summertime. I accept. Bunny. Well, also at the very end, we'll show you a real bunny. It won't look like this though. It will be a real bunny. Okay.
So,
it's your turn to offer.
now this is
Did you
probably
see that
going to
my
be our
relationship's
last
stable?
fake trade.
Yeah, it's gonna be our last fake trade because I'm running out of fidgets.
Me too. So I have this hard shell poppet, and then I have these 4 little slime.
I'll add these and one more thing. Let me just.
Elmer's goo, oh dear, and this is actually
Oh gosh, you fell.
this is kinetic sand. Yeah.
And I'll give you. And this is another thing I'm offering with a super surprise. Oh gosh, that fell. This thing with this mochi, this pig mochi, and this thing.
It's a octopus puppet.
Yeah, an octopus puppet. I had one of these at Color Change. I accept.
Me too.
We'll
And-
play with all of these at the very end, probably.
And now it's time for our real trade.
Okay, I'll offer this
Poppet bracelet.
poppet.
And
bracelet.
that's the only fidget that she brought from home, so that's why
My
it's not
brother
this
lost my other poppet. I
which
would
she
have
was
had
gonna
more.
bring.
Yeah.
Which is really pretty.
Yeah, it was. It was rainbow.
So, I'm not gonna offer too much. I like this one a lot. Do I have to offer a poppet bracelet?
No. I just need something good.
Come on, turn the radio off. No. Oh, actually, no, that one's. Sorry, this is taking me a while.
Yeah, it's a real trade, so yeah, it'll take a while. Yeah.
Okay. Be right.
I'm falling. Ow.
I hooked her up, guys. I forgot I have tickets over here.
She just reaches over me. You sure?
Yeah, I have more.
I don't want it.
Even if I added?
Adding. Yes, I forgot about that.
Here's my bike chain.
Baby doll,
Look.
baby.
I have one right here. I
What?
like this one. I like the color scheme.
Can you see that my Care Bear is stable? I'm loud.
Okay, wait, guys. I want to show y'all my only fashion fidget dolls. I'm not offering this for her.
What's a fashion? Oh yeah, because its hair is poppet.
Okay. So I don't know what else to offer for that. I love this. It's a poop mochi. Okay.
take it all back. We'll try that again. That, add.
I know I was asking if you wanted this. I have too many. Wait, I'm seeing which one. Okay,
Yay.
sorry that was so long. And now we're gonna show y'all the real bunny.
Yes, it's time to see the real bunny. I forgot. I promised them that. Bunny, bunny, bunny.
I love you, bunny. Okay, guys, we'll come back for to see us play with our fidgets. Bye.
La, la, la.